Here's how to replace the wheel on your RoboVac.
Flip your RoboVac over on a soft surface and turn off the power. Remove the side brushes by pulling them off. There are 4 screws located in front of the wheel you want to replace. Remove these 4 screws. Lift the wheel slightly and you'll find both a spring and a cable connected to the wheel. Disconnect both of these. You may need to wiggle the cable to remove it. Once they are disconnected, remove the wheel completely. With your new wheel in hand, reconnect the cable. Be sure to push the cable back into the machine. We don't want any slack on the cable as the motor could wear it down. Reattach the spring to the wheel. Put the wheel in place, but before replacing the screws, tap the wheel to make sure it springs back into place.